Hi, Namaste children. Have you enjoyed your Nagara Panchami festival? I hope you are all happy and safe at home. Children, in my last class, I had explained to you about the syllabus of this academic year. And and also I told you that how many lessons are there and which is the first lesson. The first lesson is the mango tree. Today I am going to start your first lesson. So now if you have to look at your screen, all of you. I am going to share something on your screen. And if you have textbook, directly you can open your textbook and sit. If you don't have the textbook, please look at your screen. Is it clear? Okay. So you can ask the help of your parents. You can ask help of your parents to listen the lesson, or to whenever I am telling you to write something, please ask your parents help. Okay, I am requesting parents to help your children while they are writing, where to write, how to write, and while pronouncing the words, new words, some new words will be there. While pronouncing them, they will be getting some problem. So at that time, you can help them. Okay, so please look at your screen, all of you. Yes, please look at it. So, in the first page of your first lesson, the mango tree. This is the first lesson. In the first page, they given an activity which is related to this lesson. Please look at it, all of you. I hope you are all looking at your screen. See, I will read out that activity, what it is. Look what grandmother has made for her mango party. It means that grandmother in the middle, she is there, no? Okay, one of the lady, she is grandmother. And how many children are there here? Please count them. Yes, to the left of that grandmother are there 3 children. To the right of that grandmother are there 3 children. Total there are 6 children in this party. And what party she conducted there? Yes, she conducted mango party. And she had prepared some food charts. Food charts she had prepared for her grandchildren. What are the food items she prepared? See, here are there jam, pickle, kulfi, chutney, cake, mango shake, kheer. These are all the food items she prepared for the mango party. So now they given numbers here. Those all the food items are there on the table in front of those children and grandmother. Okay. See numbers they given. So look at those pictures properly. There are 6 children and grandmother. Behind them, which trees are there? See, there are fruits in those trees. What fruits they are? They are mango fruits. It means they are mango trees. Here, so these are all the things are made up of mango fruit only. Which are there on the table of the grandmother. So grandmother had prepared things which are made up of mango fruits. Okay, now you can see them, see those pictures and mention their numbers in that space given here. Jam. What is the number of the jam here? So can you see? Where is jam? Jam bottle is here. So jam bottle. What is the number of jam bottle? Yes, can you tell? Can you guess? Yes, very good. It is 4. The number of jam bottle is, it is 4. Yes, 4 you can write here in the space given before the jam there. And pickle. What is the number of the pickle jar? Yes, 5. Pickle jar number is 5. Is it clear na? Correct? Yes, you are right. That 5 or number 5 you can write here in front of the pickle. Behind the pickle there is space given. Here you can write. Next one, kulfi. Kulfi means ice cream. Kulfi ice cream we are calling now. So kulfi ice cream. What is the number of kulfi ice cream? Yes, you are correct. Here are there in the box. Okay. So 1. 1 is the number for kulfi ice creams. So that number you can write here in behind the kulfi. Next chutney. It is second number. It is at second number. So they have printed already that. Next is cake. What is the number of cake? See, look at your picture properly. Yes, you are correct. 6, number 6, at number 6 there is cake, so you have to write here 6 before the cake. So cake is at number 6. Next, mango shake. Shake is nothing but juice, mango juice. Where it is? Yes, see properly, what is there in the jug? Yes, that is mango juice or mango shake. It is at number 3. 3, 3. Okay, 3 is the mango shake. That number 3 you can mention here. Mango shake is at 3. And last one, kheer. Kheer means nothing but payasa. Payasa we are telling, no, uggi, something your mothers are preparing, no, during festivals or some special occasions, they will be preparing kheer. Kheer is nothing but payasa, sweet, one of the sweet. So it is at number 7. Very good. 7 here it is there in the saucepan, it is there, no, see. So they kept in the bowl, big bowl. So that is kheer. What number it is? Yes, it is 7. You can mention this 7 number to the kheer. So this is one of the beautiful activity given before this first lesson. And this story, first lesson is one of the beautiful story, so about the mango tree. So how they are helpful to us, mango trees are very helpful to us. How they are helpful to us, that we are going to study in this lesson. Okay, so shall we start the lesson? Okay, please look at your screen, all of you. Okay, wait, I'm going to, yes, yes, look at it children, all of you. I will read out this lesson once. After that, I will explain to you later. Okay. So with the help of your parents, you sit in front of your mobile. Okay. If you have textbook, in the textbook only you see. If you don't have the textbook, please look at your mobile screen. Clear? Okay. See. I will read from the left side. Vasu. Vasu, Amir, Payal and Leela are playing under a mango tree. Here are their pictures, you see properly. One who wore the specs, he is Vasu. Specs here. So he kept his both the hands, palms on his cheeks and sat, no, and specs he wore. He is the one Vasu. Second, blue dress she wore and she is collecting mangoes in the basket. Who is she? She is Payal. Blue dress, Payal. One who wore specs, he is Vasu. And here, curly hair, he has curly hair. His hairs, you see, ring hairs he has, no? Okay. Look at his hairs, head, you can look at his head. You can look at his head, he has curly hairs. Curly hairs. He is Amir. And here, one more girl is there. She is having mango. She is having mango here. She is Leela. It means these are all four are friends. These all four are friends. These are friends. They were playing under a mango tree. Here is a mango tree. Under the mango tree, in front of the house, they were playing. And Leela was eating mango, and Amir is holding a stick to get the mango, and Payal, she is collecting mangoes, and Vasu is looking at these all the activities what they are doing. Okay, now Amir is telling that, Amir, look at this Amir, one who is holding the stick. What fun it is to play here. Then here, who is this girl? She is Leela. She is replying. What she replied? Yes, it is very cool here. Like that she replied. Then what happened? Yes. Come to the next part here, downside. Do you see a nest? I think there are baby birds in it. Who is this boy? Curly hair, one who is having curly hair. Yes. Can you guess? Yes, he is Amir. Amir is asking to his friends. Who are all his friends? Vasu, Payal, and Leela. These three are the friends of Amir. Yes. Amir is asking to his three friends, do you see a nest? He is showing towards the branch of a tree and asking his friends, do you see a nest? I think there are baby birds in it. Like that he is saying. Then This boy Vasu is replying, yes, I can hear chirp chirp. So when that Amir he asked to his friends, then Vasu is replying, yes, I can hear chirp chirp chirp. Chirp chirp is nothing but it is the sound made by birds. Okay, chirping sound. Okay, that those baby birds were there in the nest and they were making sound, chirping sound. So he is saying that yes, I can hear that chirp chirp. Then blue dress girl, blue dress she wore. No, who is she? She is yes, Payal. Very good, Payal. She is replying to the Amir's question. Hey, that mango is about to fall. Catch it. That mango is about to fall. Catch it. Like that she is telling. Downside it is there, no? She is telling that, oh, but mango is maybe it is falling down now. Catch it, catch it. Like that she was telling. Okay. Then suddenly it begins to rain. It means it was raining suddenly. Now it is raining, but we are not wet. We are not wet. So all the children together, all four members together, they are saying here, it is raining, but we are not wet. So we have a big green umbrella. So it is raining, although we are not wet. Why? Wet is nothing but opposite word of the dry. See, now your fingers you can keep inside the water. What happens? Now your finger is dry. When you keep your finger into the water, what it becomes? It becomes wet. Okay. So now the children are shouting that. So it is raining, but we are not wet. Why we are not wet? Because we are having a big green umbrella. So it means they hold a big umbrella. Under the umbrella's shadow they were standing. That is why they not became wet. So they were all cool. And look at their faces, what they are doing. So are they sad? No, they are all happy. See, look at that picture. All are laughing. And here, look at that picture properly. There is a mango tree. So on the branch of that mango tree, it is there a nest. In the nest are there two. How many baby birds are there? Yes, two baby birds. So in front of those two baby birds, two big birds are flying. They are the parents of those baby birds. And here there is a squirrel. Look at that. So it is entering to the hollow of the tree. Hollow is nothing but hole. There is a hole in that tree. Inside the hole it is entering. So these are all the pictures you can see in this image. So now what happened? Next page you see. Payal and Leela enjoy the juicy mangoes. Juicy means there were lots of juice inside the mango fruit. So Payal and Leela enjoy the juicy mangoes. They were under the mango tree and they collected mango fruits and they were having them. While having those mangoes, they told that, so these are juicy mangoes. Oh, now that blue dress girl, she's replying what? She is replying, see, oh, such sweet mangoes. And now pink dress girl, what she is telling here? Who is she? She is Leela. Very good. That Leela is telling that, yes, they are sweet mangoes, yes. And in front of those children who are there, yes, in front of them there are their grandfather, grandmother, and their father. All are there. See, look at them. And grandmother is saying that, here it is their grandmother, your grandfather planted that tree. Like that she told to her grandchildren. Oh, my dear children, your grandfather had planted that tree, mango tree. You got mango fruits, no? These fruits are from that tree. That tree, it has planted from your grandfather. Like that she told to her grandchildren. Then the father of those children is saying that, I remember I helped him. Then his father also, father also is telling that, yes, I helped to my father at that time. So when he was planting the mango tree, so at that time I helped to my father to plant that mango tree. Like that he replied. Then the children the children want to plant a tree. Now they got this information from their parent and grandparent. So that is why children, they wanted to plant now. So how they wanted to plant? See, look at it. The children wanted to plant a tree, and now they asked the help of their parent or father. So what they asked and what they told, Daddy, we too wanted to plant a tree. So they are asking to their father, Papa, we want to plant a tree. Can you help us? Like that. Who is she? Blue dress girl? Can you tell? Yes, Payal. Yes, Payal is asking to her father. Then Leela. Leela also telling that it will give us fruits. Oh, means here Payal is telling that, Papa, we want to plant a tree. Can you help us? And Leela is saying that yes, that tree when it become big, it will give us fruits. Like that she says. And also she is telling that it will give us shade also. Payal is telling that it will give us shade. Shade means shadow. Shadow, when it will be too hot, at that time we will sit under the tree for the rest. So that shade also we will get it. And again Leela is telling that it will be a home for birds and squirrels. It will be a home for birds and squirrels. So that is why we want to plant a tree. Like that they told to their father. Then what their father replied? It is here. Okay, here we go. Their father is saying that, okay, here we go, dig a hole. It means digging the hole in the soil. It means we need to purge the ground. We need to make a small hole and plant a mango seed in it. We need to get a mango seed, and after that, bringing that mango seed, we need to keep it inside the hole where we are digging. Okay, then water the plant and take care of it. It means after that we need to keep the mango seed in the hole where we are digging. After keeping the mango seed, we need to water it. Daily we need to water it and we need to take care of it. Then only we can grow that plant. So after growing that plant, we will get fruits, we will get shade, and it will give shelter to those all the animals and birds. So this is the story, one of the beautiful story. Okay, so I read this lesson once. In my next class, I will explain to you this story. Okay, after explaining this story, I will tell you to read the lesson also. Is it clear, children? Okay, now today's homework is you have to take the help of your parents and at least 2 or 3 lines you need to read this story. Especially this story only you need to read. Is it clear? Okay, I hope I am clear. So I will see you in my tomorrow's class or in my next class. Please take care of your health, children. I will pray God for your safety. Okay, have a nice day.